What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. Traded the SPY. Check it out. Alright, guys, you know what time it is. Right before we get into it, I need you to smash that like button for me. Remember, it does help me a lot. I took a trade today here. I really wanted to put a video out here for you guys. And I do have a live trade, so I want you to check that one out. And we're going to talk about the SPY and just basically the macro stuff that's going on behind the scenes here on why everything's acting the way it is. So smash that like button for me. It helps me. That way I'll continue putting out these videos and helping us all out. All right, guys, we're going to jump into this. The SPY is really not doing a whole lot today. Not as much as we would have expected. Yesterday, we had, a huge drawdown in the market, down about 900 points, a little bit over 900 points at one point. At one point, we were down 900 points, yes. I think we closed up around just down 700 points on the day. And then in after hours, the SPY dipped tremendously. I remember seeing it in the 270s. It even closed, I think, at 274 after hours at 8 p.m. So the the overall market was really down like a lot, but China is just screwing around with everyone, doing what China does. And what happened yesterday was they devalued their currency. This caused an entire worldwide like red day in the market. Everyone was red, so it's not just the U.S. And then today they went ahead and changed that back up, and they reversed it. So
reversed. And then when you said you definitely didn't want to have kids, what, reverse back. Snip, snap, snip, snap, snip, snap.
So they're just basically messing with everyone, okay? At this point, they're doing what they do, which is who gives a crap about anybody else. We're going to do what we're going to do because we're a communist country, and they can do whatever they want without any repercussion, basically, from their people, even though their people are rioting in the street. If you didn't know that, go ahead and check out the news, and you can find out a little bit about that. So because of this turmoil, we've had huge ups and downs. Well, since they reversed what they did yesterday, today's SPY gapped up and gained back a lot of what it lost yesterday in after hours. So it's been a whirlwind. And as you can tell here, outside of this little dip here, which I caught, not all of it, a piece of it, the SPY really hasn't done much but chop up sideways. I feel like it's just going to, if I were to re-enter right now, it would just start to chop me up. And nothing worse than going from a green day to a red day, because you get chopped up and, oh, I'm going up, oh, I'm going down. So I do have live trades here for you, and I'm going to show you my orders in a second. What I did was I kind of missed the best entry up here or up here, and entered here as we started to break down under VWAP. And I rode this dip all the way down here. Took some profit off, I believe, up here, and then the rest down here as we started to bounce up. Actually, yeah, right around here, I think, as we started to bounce up. Or was it on this one? On the bounce up, I took the last piece off. I was really holding on to that last piece, looking for the big profit. I'll show you my orders here. SPY put, I bought SPY put options in at 187, and I exited my first take profit at 219, and then my last one at 204. I was really looking to take this off like at 287, closer to $3. I was looking for a home run in there on that one, on that last take profit, but I had to keep it tight. I had to keep it tight because I figured we might have this type of action, and we might have another fade later. But as of right now, I'm not re-entering. Here is my live trade. I'm in there at 189 cost basis when this factors in my commissions. And as soon as we make this new low down here, I start getting ready to take profit. I take one profit, I take one contract off there. And now I'm looking for the big fade all the way down to yesterday's close, or yesterday's high right before the close here at 284.50 area, looking to see if it fills that gap completely. But it doesn't, and we start to bounce right around there. and there I close it off. Because I figured we're going to go right back to VWAP, and it's wild. So I figured we would probably break through VWAP, which we did. Went all the way back up here to 286, like the mid-range of the day, and now we're back down here at 285. The puts are going off at $1.95, $1.97. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do the rest of the day as far as trading SPY goals or anything else. Stocks are really lackluster right now. Everything's just at a standstill. It is what it is. I did what I could today. Let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to like the video for me. Smash that subscribe button as well if you haven't. And if you have, thank you very much for the support. And I hope you're having a great day. Catch you on the next one.